There is a lot of panic right now with a lot of people on crypto Twitter that I've been watching. Sentiment is dropping right now because Grayscale has now sent $500 million of BTC to Coinbase. They're probably unloading that as well. But is that something to be concerned about? Well, right now, Grayscale has about 568,774 Bitcoin. What they had 9 days ago was 619,162 Bitcoin. So they got rid of about 60,000 Bitcoin, and they are probably going to continue getting rid of more Bitcoin. But to have you relax a little bit, they're probably not going to sell all of it because they do have a spot Bitcoin ETF, which they need to have Bitcoin. So you don't have to panic and think like, oh my gosh, they still have 568,000 Bitcoin to get rid of. No, that's not true. It's probably much, much less. Now, Grayscale has been one of the largest holders of Bitcoin since 2013. So there's a lot of people that probably want to take profit, are sick of holding Bitcoin. Hey, you know what? Some people want to cash out, and that is totally fine. And also what is totally fine, speaking about the GBTC sell-off, let's go over to Credit Bull on Twitter. He says, the GBTC dumping send Bitcoin to $30,000 narrative is a weak one when you actually look at the numbers and data. Yes, GBTC has been selling off with consistent net outflows since the launch of 9 Bitcoin ETFs, but in reality, it's just the inflows to the other 9 ETFs that has outweighed the outflows of GBTC. So in other words, there's more people buy these 9 spot Bitcoin ETF institutions are buying Bitcoin for their spot Bitcoin ETF more than what Grayscale is selling, resulting in a net positive inflow across all the ETFs of over $1 billion or 25,000 Bitcoin since the launch of 9 days ago. Right now, altogether, all the ETFs have combined about 640,000 Bitcoin. That's about 3% of the entire Bitcoin supply that will ever be of 21 million, which is a lot, right? And that number is not stopping. There is projections at the end of the year. At this rate, it will be around 5%, and that will keep on growing as well. And I did a video, I think it was yesterday or the day before yesterday, talking about what I think what's going to happen with BlackRock. I think them and many others are trying to get their hands on as many Bitcoin as possible, so that they're going to be buying lots and lots of Bitcoin. And I think that BlackRock is probably going to want more than Satoshi has, which is 1 million Bitcoin. And they're slowly going to be on their way to doing so. And within, 10 years from now, 5 years from now, I don't know how long it's going to take for them to possibly do that. They could actually get to their goal. Why? Because if you think about it, we are in a bull market right now. We are, regardless of all these other knuckleheads out there saying, oh yeah, we're going to go to 20, we're going to whatever. No, there's a lot of buying pressure right now. Plus, we are going to experience a blow-off top in this bull market, which after all-time highs, there's going to be a lot of people that have held Bitcoin for a very long time, and they're going to want to sell. So the OGs are going to want to sell to take profits, buy property, to live their life or whatever. And so guess who's going to buy that? BlackRock and all their other friends. And that number is going to increase every single cycle, especially when we go into a bear market where everybody is freaking out, panic selling. All these 9 Bitcoin spot ETFs institutions are going to be laughing next bear market because they are going to be buying up the dip in a huge way, which makes me think that how bad is this bear market going to be once this bull market ends? With all these people wanting to buy, or institutions wanting to buy, it makes me wonder, what do you guys think? Do you think that they are going to keep it from Bitcoin going down like 70% or 80% like it usually does during a bear market? Or do you think they're actually going to be able to prop up the market because they're buying so much Bitcoin from weak hands that don't want anything to do with the bear market because they feel like they're holding a bag. Let me know in the comments below, but I will tell you exactly what we are going to be doing, what we are doing. And if you want to see our portfolio, go to learningcrypto.com, home of the CT Club. That's where you get our trade alerts, portfolio updates, and much more. I would highly suggest, if you want to really up your game in this space, check us down below. All right, that's all I have. Please like and subscribe, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.